What makes Cortex AI so powerful isn't just the intelligence, it's where that intelligence lives. Rather than existing as a separate tool, Cortex AI is woven directly into the CorityOne experience, into the workflows, data, and daily routines our users already trust. This intentional design ensures that intelligence meets people where they are, whether that is on the factory floor, in the clinic, in the field, or behind a desk. When AI is built into everyday work, it helps us capture more data effortlessly, analyze it faster, and surface timely, relevant insights for the people who can act on them. At each step along the way, Cortex AI doesn't replace human judgment, it enhances it. Throughout every activity, people stay in control, reviewing, validating, and evaluating, supported by intelligence they can trust. And this is what is transformative about AI. It helps us drive EHS risk management into operations at a greater scale than we've ever seen before.
That's such an important point, Amanda. One thing I've learned over the years is that when solutions fit into the flow of everyday work, they're adopted at a much higher rate. That is especially important with AI. So let's look at some real-world examples of that. We'll start on the factory floor with one of our new voice-driven Cortex AI agents, built specifically to turn voice into action.
Yes, on a fast-moving production floor, every second counts, but safety should never have to take a back seat. Still, capturing a near miss in the moment hasn't always been easy. It often means breaking focus, stepping away from the work, or trying to remember and record details later when the moment's already passed. And that's why we created Cortex AI Voice Entry Agent. Now supervisors can simply speak into my Cority right where they are, even in a noisy environment. And Cortex AI will instantly transcribe and pre-fill the near miss report. No interruptions, no delays, and no lost details. What used to take valuable minutes away from work now happens in seconds, helping your teams capture more insight, strengthen your safety culture, and keep your operations moving.
That's a great example of how Cortex AI meets your people right where they work, turning everyday moments into meaningful data. Another one of my favorite examples is the clinic, where documentation is just as critical and accuracy is everything. Here's another voice-driven Cortex AI agent, the medical scribe, built to support your clinicians. This agent is powered by medical-grade language model designed specifically for healthcare, built to understand clinical terminology, context, and sensitive patient data. Amanda, you've seen this in action. How is it changing the way clinicians in occupational health work?
Great question. In occupational health, documentation is essential. It's how care is communicated, tracked, and measured. But for clinicians, it can also be one of the most time-consuming parts of the job. During an assessment, they're focused on the person right in front of them, listening, evaluating, and explaining next steps, all while also trying to capture every important detail for the record. The Cortex AI Medical Scribe agent helps ease that burden. As the clinician focuses on the patient, the agent listens quietly in the background, carefully capturing the exchange. It pulls out the details that matter, filters out the noise, and then presents a clean summary for review. The clinician can then review it in seconds, make edits if needed, and approve it. The final version is instantly structured into familiar formats, like SOAP notes, ready to go straight into the medical record. This medical-grade AI agent ensures precision, compliance, and gives clinicians more time to focus on what matters most, their patients.
That's so cool. For a long time, our ability to improve processes has been limited by the constraints of the physical world. Take paper, for example. Even in a digital world, paper still plays a big role in many processes, and that creates friction. The Cortex AI scan-to-form agents helps eliminate that gap by instantly turning every sheet of paper into usable data.
That's right. There are places like clean rooms or labs where electronics can't be used, so digital tools aren't an option there. In those cases, inspections still happen on paper. But now, with Cortex AI Inspection Scanning Agent, you can just take a quick photo of a handwritten inspection form and the AI automatically reads and transfers that information straight into your digital record in CorityOne. All you do is review and confirm. No reentry, No lost details. It turns your clipboard full of check boxes into measurable insight instantly.
That's awesome. There's so many examples of that. In occupational health, there's still a lot of paper, and every one of those records holds data too valuable to lose.
Yeah, we see it all the time. Stacks of vaccination records, handwritten notes, old forms that need to make it into the system. With the Cortex AI vaccination record scanning agent, you can snap a photo of an immunization record. The AI reads the handwriting, extracts the vaccine information, and fills out the vaccination records for verification, so you never have to key it in by hand. The result? No manual steps, greater accuracy, and a cleaner, more complete health history you can rely on. It improves your patient experience and saves so much time.